The DIY Murphy bed will require a set of handles to be attached to the face of the bed. The handles will allow you to comfortably open and close the bed. It is recommended that you shim the bottom of the bed frame, or have someone help you, so the bed frame does not accidentally fall forward. There are many types of handles available at your local hardware store such as Home Depot or Lowe's. It is a good idea to choose handles that are made from a heavier gauge material and have a good solid base. Choose a set of handles that best matches your decor and personal preference. Refer to the instructions that come with your handles for the proper mounting dimensions. You may use a measuring tape and measure the base of the handles to determine the mounting dimensions for a specific set of handles. Although we recommend the handles be mounted 18 to 20 inches from the top of the bed frame, you can customize this measurement to allow you to comfortably open and close the bed. If you are building your Murphy bed using particle board, the face panels will be half-inch thick material, and in this case, you may want to mount the handles over one of the frame struts for extra hold. This will prevent the handles from possibly ripping through the face panels. Measure and mark the location for the bed handles on the face panels, parts I. Feel free to customize the distance between the handles. Note that the handles can also be mounted vertically or horizontally. Double check to make sure you have the proper dimensions for the handles before you start drilling. Remember, measure twice, drill once. Using an appropriate drill bit, drill through the face panels in the center of the pencil marks. It is a good idea to use metal washers with the mounting hardware that came with the handles. If you are building a vertical style Murphy bed, you may need a helper to help you install the bed handles. We have now installed the bed handles on the face of the bed.